Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your TikTok username. So here you can start by, of course, opening your TikTok apps and then head to your profiles. Then here on your profile, if you want to change the username, click on this edit profile options. Then in here you can see this is my current username, and if you want to change it, you can just click on this and then just change the username into the one that you want. Okay, for example, I'm going to go with this right here. Let's try. If it's isn't available, then it is used by the other user, so you can just find the one that is available. After that, you can click on save at the top. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.